nickname Colorless Ink, last name Oladele, first name Ebenezer, gender male, everything is there, including my email. So if your own is not correct, you are encouraged to first check everything to confirm whether they are correct or not. So that is the first thing you have to do. Then second one is that you have to create a transaction pin. You have to create a transaction pin because this is a pin that you'll be using for your transaction on this platform. So how do you do that? You click on wallet here. This is the wallet. The next to the last icon here, that is the wallet. You click on it. Yeah, that's the wallet. You click on the wallet, then you click on the settings here. You click on the settings here. I hope you are getting that. You click on the settings here, then you see pin setting, transaction limit setting, and switch wallet. So you click on pin setting. You click on pin setting. So I want to set my pin now. I want to set my pin. Let me set my pin first. So I've typed my pin there, my pin code there. Then you click on apply. You click on apply. You click on up, so you can see update successfully. So that's how to set your pin also. So the next one is that you must have some Rubi in your wallet. You have to also create your wallet, then you must also get some Rubi in your wallet if you want to do your Rubi KYC. And how can you get your Rubi to your wallet? You can only get Rubi from those people that have passed their KYC during the maybe KYC point 1. So you must have gotten your Rubi in your wallet. Either you buy it from those who have it, or they just send to you for you to just use it to do your KYC and return it back to them. So that's that about that, guys. So I've gotten 5 Rubi in my wallet here. I've gotten 5 Rubi in my wallet, and that's how much. That's almost $27.7. So nobody knows if that's going to be the actual price of this coin. But I observe that it keep fluctuating every day. Sometimes it's at $3, sometimes $4, sometimes $5 or so. So I've gotten 5 Rubi in my wallet here. So you must create your wallet address, and then you can for you to get Rubi to be sent to your wallet, you just click here. Once you have created your wallet here, you click on receive here. You click on receive. Then you copy this is your wallet address. You copy your wallet address. This is what you're going to send to people that want to send a Rubi to you for your KYC. So you click on copy here. You click on this copy to copy your wallet address and send to them. So after that, what is the next step? Then you come here and see user verification. User verification. So you click on user verification. You see eKYC. You can see I have not yet been verified. So I click on eKYC. eKYC. Then you click on continue. So before, I used to have just 2 checks here, the first one and the second one. So I used to have just the first 2 that is always being checked before. But now, because I've received invitation for KYC 1.5, so this third one has been checked also. So for the first one to be checked, you must complete ownership information over 30 days. All the information I first showed you initially, you must have done it over 30 days. Then number 2, you must exploit at least 30 Rubi. That is, you must have nothing less than 30 Rubi on your dashboard. Then number 3, once you have that 2 criteria in place, then you can receive your invitation at any point in time. Once the first 2 have been checked, that means you are already qualified. You just wait for the invitation to be received by you. So once you have these 3 places that has been checked, then you click on continue. you click on continue, then you scroll down here, you scroll down. So I have read and agree to the terms and agreements. I click on it, I click it, then I click on continue. I click on continue. So you can see something here. Choose priority level. So please select your priority level, then proceed to make a reservation to continue KYC. First one, 4 Rubi, 4 RBL, that's priority level 1. It allows this first option, it allows resubmission 5 times. Queue is less than 100. Expected result return time is at least 4 hours. Then the one with 3 Rubi, this is a second option. It allows resubmission 3 times. Queue is less than 600. Expected result return time is at least 24 hours. Then the third option, that's 2 Rubi. You say it allows resubmission 2 times. Queue is less than 10,000. Expected result return time is at least 7 days. So if you want a faster result, you have to go for the one with 4 RBL. So let me click on the 4 RBL. Then I will click on make a reservation. Make a reservation. I click on it. Make a reservation. So fee payment. Open your wallet and scan this QR code or this one. So just click on checkout. Click on checkout. Checkout. Then you will click on transfer. Transfer. Then you enter your pin, the pin that you created. Then you have to enter it here now. So I enter my pin here. I enter my pin here. So I've entered my pin. Then I click on done. I will click on done. All right. So once you have done that, you now click on already paid. You click on already paid. So I've clicked on it. You can see amazing success. You have successfully paid the KYC booking fee. Please press KYC now to continue. So I click on KYC now. I click on KYC now. So these are the requirements here that you have to provide. You can pick either national ID card or your passport. So I click on national ID card. Then I click on continue. I click on continue. So you are using a paid KYC request with, you have a maximum of pauses in the KYC process to correct errors. Please prepare a national ID or passport that matches this account ownership information. Please provide clear, sharp, and correct images. Okay, I got it. So the KYC fee amount is not refundable in any resulting case. Okay, I got it. So I click on I got it. I move forward. So these are what you have to supply: the document ID number, your full name as it is on your ID, date of birth, your gender, nationality, place of origin, place of residence, the expired period for the ID, date of issue, and place of issue. Then you also upload the front of the ID card and also the back of the ID card. And you also take now this one now for this third one here. For this third one here, you have to take a picture of yourself that you are holding a white paper that they write Ruby on. They must write Ruby on that paper, and it must also include the day you are doing that thing. You must write that same date that you are doing the KYC. So take a photo with the front of the ID card and the handwritten sign with the text Ruby plus shooting date as shown. So they say that this is what you have to do, that you have to submit on this platform. So after you have done that, you just say, you click here, I have read and agreed to the privacy policy, all those things. Then you click on send KYC. You click on send KYC. So that's all the information you have to provide, and that's the step you will take to complete your Rubi KYC. So after this KYC will take like almost a day or 2 days for you to get the response or for you to get the results. So that's all the process you have to take on Rubi KYC. I hope you find this video very valuable. If you do so, kindly like, share and subscribe to keep accessing my future video on trading, investing and airdrop. Thanks for watching. I remain your friend Shina Oladele.